Hello everyone, this is Taha Iqbal and you are watching Taha Iqbal the Tech. Today I will show you how to install IDM 6.37 latest version with lifetime activation. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you never miss the update. And don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, if you've already installed IDM, please uninstall it and restart your system. Restart is must. After restart, go to this link. I will drop the link down in the description. Go and download the IDM from the link. Now install. Now extract this folder. You will get these two files. Install the IDM. It will take some time. Accept. Next. After installation, close it from everywhere. Make sure it's not running in the background. Go to Task Manager. Details, share IDM. Nothing is running. Okay. Now copy this file. Go to the location where you have installed IDM. I will install it in C drive, program files. Paste it here. Now run this application. Click on patch. Wait for a second. Wait for a few seconds. Now click on patch again. Close the window. And boom, you are done. Now for verification, go double click on IDM and check this. Your IDM is registered 6.37 for lifetime. Okay. Thanks for watching.